Hi everybody, I am in the office. It is extremely early in the morning. I have been a terrible YouTuber lately and getting content out to you guys, and I'm trying to make sure that my camera is at a good angle here. Hopefully that's okay. Um, so I hope you guys had a fantastic Christmas and a wonderful New Year's. We certainly did. We had a lovely time. I am sipping on some coffee this morning. This is my first cup of coffee today that I'm having. And I just thought that I would do sort of an impromptu New Year's video. When I first started doing YouTube, I used to do New Year's resolutions or plans or goals videos, and that kind of fell off the map for 2020. And definitely the beginning here of 2021. I think as a YouTuber, we don't really know what to expect or don't want to make promises that we can't keep. We certainly are not necessarily on lockdown here, but we are, a lot of things are closed and different, and so bringing content as usual is not the case right now. But I did want to come in. I wanted to say hello to you guys, and I just wanted to say that I am going to do my very best to upload videos Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays for you all. I'm definitely going to try to do a lot more recipe videos. I do pay attention to what content you all enjoy the most. We have a lot of exciting changes coming up here, honestly, in the next few weeks. My in-laws are moving out of our house and moving into the new home. There will be some changes to the house made, and Ronnie and my own touches will be done to the home, and so we're really excited about that. He wants to do a lot more cooking with me, which is really exciting. He loves to get in the kitchen and help me make pizza or make breads or make anything, and I'm excited to work alongside with him as his wife, and he definitely encourages me and I encourage him, and we have a lot of fun. So be looking forward to videos of us cooking together. A lot of you guys have been asking me how my kids are doing, so I thought I would just give you a quick update. My oldest son, Lucas, he just turned 25 years old. I have no babies anymore, guys, no more babies. He is a classical pianist student with the University of Memphis. He is doing outstanding, and he works full-time, and when he doesn't work full-time, he is playing the piano for churches and weddings and just different I guess different situations where they need a pianist. If you guys are on my YouTube, or not my YouTube, but my it's early, guys, I'm still trying to consume my coffee. On my Instagram and my Facebook, if you guys are on there, you guys have seen him play, and a lot of you all have said how talented he is. I can't take credit for it. My mother is a pianist and a musician, so I kind of give her the credit for it because he learned a lot from her, and he honestly was one of those very gifted individuals that just watched somebody play and then he sat down and played it. I'm jealous. I'm jealous, but I am extremely proud of him. My son Dylan right now is in Missouri with his girlfriend. He works full-time. He does like computer programming, networking, that kind of thing. He is so smart. We used to call him our little businessman. He's 21 years old, and that's the baby. My son Jonathan is going to be 24 years old this April, and he is full-time Army. Him and his wife, and he has 2 children, Skylar and Ella. Ella is my granddaughter. She's 3 years old, and she's doing wonderful and thriving. And I'm so happy for everyone. So that's a little update on my kids. You guys have been wanting and asking, and thank you for that. It's so neat that we make these connections in YouTube with our viewers, and you all want to know how our family's doing. And if I come up missing, I get messages, are you guys okay? And I think it's wonderful, and I just want to tell you all that we really appreciate that. I really, really cherish each and every one of you who watch and support Kiddos Corral. If you are new to my channel, Kiddos Corral kind of came about during a very hard time for me. My son in 2012 was diagnosed with cancer, with leukemia. I'm going to get a drink of coffee. I have my morning croaky voice. Anyways, my son was diagnosed with cancer. There was no support groups in our area. It was a very lonely time for me, and I started watching YouTube and other mothers, and I was sitting at the table one day, and I just simply said to my son, I said, I wish I could do that. And he said, why can't you? And he named it. He is the reason why it's called Kiddos Corral, because I used to say my kiddos corral around the table often, and he kind of took from that and named my channel. But he is cancer-free now. If you're new, I'll let you know that he is doing wonderful. We had fantastic doctors, and they took wonderful care, and I believe that the Lord had him in his hands the entire time. It was still a very, very hard struggle. It was a 3-year fight against cancer and over 121 chemo treatments. It was not easy, but I can tell you that the support and the love that I got from my viewers and YouTube here really helped me as a mom. I never planned to ever have over 11,000 viewers or subscribers. I know that my videos don't seem to get a tremendous amount of views on them, but I am still going to keep doing YouTube because it is something that I love to do. It's something that I enjoy doing. I enjoy the connections that I have made. I enjoy making memories that are on videos so that, if I leave this world behind, my kids will have them and to watch, which will be wonderful for them. And so that is that. But if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for joining in. I hope that this video finds you and your families healthy and happy. Ronnie and I have just decided that in spite of all things, we are going to do the very best that we can and live as happy as we can. We kind of have our own little world here in our home, and we are very content and very happy. And I hope that you all are too. Invite your friends to come over and subscribe to my channel. We would love to have them be a part of Kiddos Corral. I am going to upload this. It is Monday morning. I am going to upload this, and I'm going to get this out to you all this morning for just a hello and Happy New Year's and kind of a little chit chat with you guys. I don't know what the rest of this week will hold. I'm hoping that I can get some video content out to you guys this week. Things are a little slow right now because my in-laws are moving out. So you can imagine switching over everything in the kitchens and boxing everything up and doing all those things takes time. Especially because it is so cold here. It was in the 30s yesterday, so it's hard to move when it's a cold. And that's okay, because we're going to get this done, and things are going to change, and I'm going to share those changes with you all here on my YouTube channel. I went appliance shopping a few days ago, so I know new washer and dryer and a refrigerator and a microwave and a new stove is all in the works. Also, just bringing in my kitchen stuff into the kitchen. I was thinking the other day, I thought, I can be a very happy woman when I see my little blue Dutch oven again. After everything has been in storage, you cannot wait to get it out and use it. So I look forward to that and seeing my familiar items that I have not seen in 2 years, so a while. So I hope you guys are doing fantastic. Hopefully I didn't chit chat too long and this wasn't too boring for you guys, but we are doing fantastic. I am actually getting ready to go grocery shopping today, and I hope that I can come home and share a meal plan and what I bought from the grocery store. It will be my first grocery haul of the year, and it'll be from Aldi, I believe. So anyways, I'm looking forward to that. I'm going to finish my coffee and upload this, and I hope you all are doing fantastic. Thanks so much for watching. Have a fantastic week, guys. Bye.